Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to register for any courses. If you're watching this video at the time of registration, then you don't need to visit our website again because you are already there to register yourself for any courses. If you're watching this video from our YouTube channel directly, then you need to visit the description box or see the first comment where we have put our official website link. You can also find our official website link at our YouTube channel. Just click on this link and you will be redirected to this site.
Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Brave.
Now here I'm using down the row.
Visited link courses. Link log. Visited link courses.
So just click on courses.
Academy Accessible Computing document.
So here you will find all the courses.
Academy heading level 1 Vitech heading level 1. Welcome to Vitech Academy, personalized training portal by Accessible Computing. /star original demographic. Accessible Computing has created its own academy to offer you a personalized training experience. We understand that group training may not always meet your specific needs, as everyone has varying capabilities when it comes to understanding and acquiring knowledge. Intuitive learning methods that provide Vitech Academy head list with 6 items. Black Square Learn from Home.
You'll get some benefits of Accessible Computing Academy.
Black Square 1-to-1 training. Black Square exclusive doubt clearing session. Black Square free after training support through chat. Black Square 1 month premium call support after training. Black Square refer and earn program. In out of list heading level 2 courses.
So now here are the course list.
Visited link computer literacy expert from basic to advanced. Visited link gold wave exclusive. Visited link HTML foundation. Visited link WordPress for beginners. New.
So let's say you want to register for WordPress for beginners course. Just press enter here.
WordPress for beginner.
You will be redirected to the dedicated page for WordPress for beginners course. Here you can read all the details by using your reading keys.
Main landmark WordPress for beginners heading level 1 introduction. Web development is one of the essential high-income skills in the current digital era, and big business requires a website to establish an online presence and reputation. About the course heading level 2. So
here you can able to know what is about the course.
Accessible Computing has meticulously crafted individuals aspiring to embark on a successful career in web development. Our work.
If you want to learn more about the course, you can go to the next heading.
What you learn heading level 2.
Here we have discussed about the learning modules.
The WordPress for Beginners course comprehensively covers the basics of web development and essential concepts such as web hosting and domains. The core foundation and web development principle. Throughout the course, you will gain hands-on experience. Eligibility criteria. Next
is eligibility criteria, and next you will find
pricing and course structure heading.
Pricing and course structure. So sometimes we will update this section, so you need to check before applying.
WordPress for Beginners is a professional arranged every weekend. No next heading. Classes totaling 16 hours of months. You have to complete assignments from instructors. Regular price. Deleted rupee $24.99. Highlighted introductory price rupee 2000. Out of highlighted separator.
So after all this, you will see a link.
Out of highlight. Visited link register.
Just click on register.
Academy policy accessible.
You will be redirected to Academy policy. Please read all these policies before completing the registration. So after this, here you will find a checkbox.
Checkbox not checked. I agree to the terms and conditions.
So you need to check this box checked.
Visited link continue to register.
Then click on continue to register. Let's see.
Visited.
If you not check this box, then what will happen? I'm pressing enter here.
accessiblecomputing.epc.com says dialog. Please agree to the terms and conditions. OK button 1 of acad.
Okay, so you need to
checkbox not checked. I
check
agree
this box. So I'm checking this box checked.
Checked.
Now I'm click on
continue to register.
Continue to register. So let's click on continue to register. Make sure you must sign in with your Google account to your browser to complete the registration. I'm pressing enter on continue to register.
Academy registration.
When you press enter, a Google form will open here.
Welcome to Academy registration. Please note, you should enter valid details, otherwise we may reject you. Blank. You can apply for multiple courses at a time, or you can edit later as per your convenience. Blank. Out of India. Blank. Link. Click here to contact us on WhatsApp. So if you are applying from any other country outside India, you need to click
link.
Click here to contact
on this link, and you will be redirected to your WhatsApp page, and there you can send the training request directly to our WhatsApp portal.
Blank. Ratolbasak.me@mail.com list with 16 items heading level 3 email.
So
Heading level 3
first you
star.
need to enter your email.
Checkbox not checked. Record retulbasak.me@mail.com was the email to be included with
So
the
if you want to use this, then just you need to check this box checked. I'm doing this.
checked.
Otherwise you can just manually enter the email.
Record heading level 2. Create your profile. Please enter your personal details to create a student profile.
So here you need to create your student profile with us.
Heading level 3 first name.
First name.
Heading level 3 star. Edit required. Alert this.
So here I am giving my first name.
Rattle. Space.
I'm pressing tab.
Middle name, if any. Edit blank.
I don't have any middle name, so I'm going to next.
Last name required. Question edit required.
I'm
blank.
entering the last name.
Basak. Your gender required. Question grouping required. Male radio.
So I'm selecting my gender.
Female. Male radio. Female. Male radio. Female. Male. City. Alert. This is a required question. This is a required question. Male radio button focus checked. One of city required question.
Then
edit
I'm entering
required.
my
This is a
city.
required question blank.
For example, Delhi, let's say.
DLD. State required question edit required blank.
State, I'm entering Delhi.
Delhi. Country required question
Country,
edit
I'm
required
entering
blank.
India.
India. Your mobile number required question edit required. Do not enter +91 or 0 blank.
So
Num lock on.
I'm entering my mobile number.
7,012,000,000. Your WhatsApp number required question.
Again, I'm entering my WhatsApp number.
8,970,000,000. Your email ID required question edit focused required blank.
So entering, I'm just entering my email ID.
Ratbus.
So this is not my real email ID. I've just typed something.
Com. Select your current profession required question grouping required. Student radio button not checked 1 of 3.
So I'm selecting student.
Checked. Date edit. Month date spin button 0.
So now here I'm entering my date of birth.
Date spin button 0. Year date spin button 0. 0/0/0/1/1950. Show date picker menu. Impairment status required question.
So
grouping
impairment
required.
status.
Blind radio button not checked 1 of 2. Low vision radio button checked 2 of. Blind radio button.
So I'm choosing blind.
Next button.
So now I'm just clicking on next button.
Academy registration document. Heading level 1.
Now
List
here-
of 7 items. Choose your course and other details.
Here you need to select the
You
course.
can select multiple courses at a time. Heading level 3. Select your course. Heading level 3 star. List with 4 items. Checkbox not checked. Computer literacy expert. Computer checkbox not checked. HTML foundation.
I need to select the WordPress for beginners.
HTML checkbox not checked. WordPress for beginners. Checked.
So I'm checking this.
WordPress checkbox not checked. Gold Wave exclusive. Gold Wave out of list. Heading level 3. Select your course language. Heading level 3 star. Note: self-learning courses are only available in English. Grouping required. Radio button not checked. Bengali.
Bengali
radio
or
button
English.
not checked.
So I'm choosing English.
Checked. Out of grouping. Heading level 3. Select your device. Heading level 3 star. Grouping required. Radio button not checked. Desktop.
So I'm choosing desktop.
Checked. Test radio laptop. Out of grouping. Heading level 3. Select your screen
So
reader.
I'm choosing the screen
Heading
reader.
list with 2 items. Checkbox not checked. JAWS checkbox checked. NV out of list. Heading level 3. Referral code.
So referral code.
Heading level 3 star. Enter your friend's referral code or our verified instructor's referral code.
So whatever referral code you have, you can enter.
Edit required.
So I'm entering a referral code.
Enter your heading level December 3 or duration. Heading level 3 star. List with 1 items. Checkbox not checked. I have read and accept all terms.
So you just need to check this box check.
Checked. Checkbox.
And
I
next,
have read and
click on-
respective core. Out of list. Out of button back. A copy button submit. But a copy of your responses will be emailed to retulbasak.me@mail.com.
So a copy of your response will be emailed automatically. Okay, that you can understand that you submitted this and this to Accessible Computing.
Button back. Button submit.
Then click on submit button. Now you will get a final call or final message which tells that your registration is successful and our team will call you for verification. I'm not hitting enter on submit button because I don't want to submit this. So this is how you can easily register for any courses with Accessible Computing. Hope this guide helps you a lot. If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video. Thank you. Bye bye.